ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a game changer. From saving hours of reading time to creating custom workout plans, this AI can transform your daily life in ways you never imagined. And stick around because tip number 7 is something most people don't even know about. AI is evolving fast, and ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools you can use today. Whether you want to learn faster, work smarter, or just have fun, these 7 life-changing ChatGPT hacks will make your day easier and more productive. Let's dive in. 1. Summarize anything in seconds. Imagine reading a 10-page article or watching a 2-hour podcast in just a few minutes. ChatGPT can do that for you. Summarize long articles. Just type, "Summarize this article in 5 bullet points." Get key takeaways from YouTube videos. Just paste a transcript and ask, "Give me the most important points from this video." Condense entire books or research papers. Perfect for students and busy professionals. This means you can absorb more knowledge in less time, making learning faster and more efficient. 2. Learn anything faster. Want to learn a new language, master a musical instrument, or get fitness advice? ChatGPT can guide you step by step. Language learning. Ask, "Teach me Spanish with daily 5-minute lessons." Music lessons. Say, "Give me a beginner-friendly plan to learn the piano in 3 months." Fitness coaching. Get a customized meal and workout plan based on your goals. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7 without the expensive price tag. 3. Get personalized writing assistance. If you struggle with writing, ChatGPT can help you sound more professional, creative, or even more like yourself. Refine your writing. Ask, "Rewrite this email in a polite but assertive tone." Match your style. ChatGPT can analyze your past writing and adjust its tone to match your personality. Create content in different voices. Want something written in the style of a poet or a comedian? Just ask. This is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to write with confidence. 4. Plan your day like a pro. From work to travel, ChatGPT can organize your schedule and make your life more efficient. Plan your vacations. Just say, "Create a 5-day itinerary for Paris with budget-friendly activities." Optimize your workday. Ask, "Help me structure my day for maximum productivity." Simplify legal documents. ChatGPT can break down complex contracts into plain English. No more wasting time on planning. ChatGPT does the work for you. 5. Play interactive AI games. Need a break? ChatGPT isn't just for work. It can be your entertainment companion, too. Play text-based adventure games. Just type, "Take me on an interactive mystery game." Generate trivia quizzes. Perfect for family game nights. Create custom story prompts. Turn any idea into an AI-generated adventure. It's a fun way to challenge your creativity and test AI storytelling abilities. 6. Improve ChatGPT's responses. Want even better answers from ChatGPT? Here's how to train it to work even smarter. Give clear instructions. Instead of "Give me a workout plan," say, "Create a 4-week home workout for beginners using only bodyweight exercises." Provide feedback. If ChatGPT gets something wrong, correct it, and it will refine its response next time. Assign a persona. Get tailored responses by asking ChatGPT to act as a fitness coach, historian, or business consultant. With these tweaks, ChatGPT becomes smarter and more useful over time. 7. Create original content in seconds. Need a song, a speech, or a social media caption? ChatGPT can generate unique content in seconds. Songwriting. Ask, "Write me a motivational song about chasing dreams." Cover letters and resumes. Just say, "Write me a cover letter for a marketing job." Social media content. Get engaging Instagram captions, tweets, or video script ideas instantly. This AI isn't just smart, it's creative too. The secret to getting the best ChatGPT experience. The more detailed your prompts, the better ChatGPT's responses will be. Be specific. The more details you provide, the more accurate the AI's response. Keep experimenting. Reword your prompts if needed and refine them for better results. Make it personal. Customize your ChatGPT interactions to fit your needs and lifestyle. AI is only as powerful as the way you use it. So start experimenting. ChatGPT is an incredible tool that can make life easier, smarter, more fun, but only if you use it the right way. Let's quickly recap. Summarize anything in seconds. Learn new skills effortlessly. Write smarter and faster. Plan your day more efficiently. Have fun with AI-powered games. Optimize ChatGPT's responses. Create original content instantly. Which of these AI hacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see even more AI-powered life hacks, click the next video on your screen now. Subscribe for more AI tips.